Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel.
Hey, why are you holding your jacket like that?
The zipper is stuck again, and I can't pull it down.
Again? Didn't you fix it last week?
I tried, but it keeps getting stuck at the top every time.
Did you put something on it, like soap or oil?
Yeah, I tried soap, but it only helped for one day.
Do you want me to help you now?
Yes, please. I can't open it at all, and I'm getting hot.
Let me see. Oh, the fabric inside got caught in the zipper.
Really? That happens all the time.
Wait. Okay, I'm pulling it out slowly. There.
Nice. It finally moves again.
Maybe the zipper is just old.
Honestly, the whole jacket is old.
Then maybe it's time for a new one.
Yeah, maybe after school, I'll look for a new jacket.
Do these jeans look okay on me?
They look a little tight around the waist.
Really? They feel tight too. I can barely move in them.
Then you should try a bigger size. They look too small.
Good idea. And what about this shirt I picked?
The color looks great on you, but the sleeves are too long.
I always have sleeve problems. Too long, too short, never right. Don't worry. Let's ask the store worker for a smaller size. Yes, maybe they have it in the back. And if not, we can look at the other section. There are lots of shirts here. True. I really want something comfortable and cute.
We'll find something that fits you. Shopping just takes time.
Thanks for helping me. I'd be lost without you.
That's what friends are for.
You're soaked. What happened to you?
My raincoat isn't waterproof at all.
Really? It looks like a good raincoat.
It only looks good. The water goes right through it.
That's terrible. Your shirt is completely wet.
I know, and even my socks are wet. I feel cold.
Do you want to borrow my umbrella for now?
Thanks. That would help a lot.
Do you have anything dry to change into at home?
Yes, but the walk home is long, and I don't want to get colder.
I can walk with you. I have a big umbrella.
Really? That would be great.
Next time, you should buy a waterproof raincoat.
I definitely need a new one. This one is useless.
Want to go shopping this weekend?
Sure, I need a better raincoat before it rains again.
Jake, why aren't you dressed yet? We're going to be late.
My pants are too short. Look at my ankles.
Too short? But you just got those 2 months ago.
Well, I think I grew faster than you expected.
Let me see. Oh, wow. Yes, they're much too short now.
Can I wear my black pants instead?
The black ones are in the laundry. They're still wet.
Then what should I wear? All my clothes are too small.
Try the blue pair in your drawer. I think those might still fit.
Okay, I'll check.
Do they fit?
They're a bit tight, but I can wear them.
Good. Put them on for today.
And what about the rest of the week?
If nothing fits, we'll go shopping this weekend.
Yes! New clothes!
Growing is expensive, you know.
But it's not my fault.
Are you ready for the party yet?
Not really. I can't decide what to wear.
What's wrong with the dress you picked earlier?
It has a small rip on the side. Look at this.
Oh no. Can you sew it quickly?
Maybe, but I don't have time. We're already late.
What about the red dress?
The red one is too long. I'll trip if I wear it.
Then try the blue one.
The blue one has a stain that won't come off.
Wow, you have so many clothing problems today.
I know. Everything is broken, too long, or dirty.
Do you have anything else?
Well, I have the black dress. It always works.
Yes, that one looks good on you every time.
Okay, I'll wear the black dress.
Great. Put it on and let's go before the party starts.
All right. Thanks for helping me choose.
Anytime.